Say you were creating a lesson and you meant to click on the second tab, but by mistake clicked on the third one, and then you quickly switched back to the second. Now, if most of your video was good and you didn't want to start over, how do you fix that quickly? Well, now that we are in the Camtasia editor, there's a number of ways we could do it. We could try to take a screenshot and lay it over, but lining it up, and even if you're pretty careful, you still have some slight jitter in the recording, which is fine, but we can do better. There's other things you could do as well, but I'm going to go ahead and take an approach using a keyframe. So the very first thing would be to come here to the section where you have the unintended tab, and so I'm going to go ahead and here go to the menu from Camtasia. I'm going to go to share and then look at export frame as, and so what I'm going to do is show what that looks like here. So because I'm not capturing the full screen, I'm actually capturing the Camtasia editor at the moment. You can see here that if you go through the menu, you can go to share and then export keyframe as, and then I'm going to go ahead and delete it because I'm not going to use it. And so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So I've gone ahead and done that. I'm now going to go ahead and drag it into the media bin. And as you can see there, that looks, I've called it mountains. And so I'm going to go find the place where the screen changes, or where the frame changes, where I click on the wrong tab. And so now I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop this here. And as you can see, this fits exactly. Well, actually, it's even better if you don't do it that way. If you drag it into the timeline, because that way you don't have to fit it over. And as you can see there, that is exactly the same size. And if we were to move, you can see that there's no difference in the timeline or on the screen. Well, actually, you can see that new tab there moving. But I've actually now gone ahead and hidden. And if you play with it, you could get it even better, right? That, you know, we could determine where that changes back there, and we could get the exact spot to overlay. But the point being that this takes, 5 seconds to do. Once you get the workflow, you basically take you save the keyframe, then you drag and drop it onto your timeline, and you can easily hide anything you like.